Bobby Brown. Shout out Stranger Things season 4. This is not sponsored, but love you. Good morning. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, hi. My name is Hannah. I need to stop doing this. If you're new here, what's up? Ew. I can't do it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Hannah. I'm 23. I live in New York City. That's really all you need to know at the moment. Welcome to another vlog. Today is literally a random Wednesday. I decided I wanted to vlog today because I'm actually doing some things, so I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along. I already got ready for the most part. I did just like really light makeup. It's summertime. I don't really put a lot of, you know, effort in. I'm not trying to have my makeup fall off my face. Also, I just did like a slicked back low bun because this is also my go-to summertime look because I sweat for some reason. Like my hair sweats like crazy and it looks greasy anyway. So I'm like, if I just like intentionally make it look greasy and do the slicked back thing, it's like chic. You know, it's not like dirty, it's chic. Today, I actually booked a desk at WeWork. If you aren't familiar with like what WeWork is, it's basically a co-working space. It's almost like a coffee shop, but without the coffee part and just like all this like sitting room for literally random people to just sit and do work. I decided to book one today because I just can't sit at my desk. I can't do it right now. I'm not motivated. And so I thought this would be a nice little fun change of scenery for me, maybe like remotivate myself. Today I am going to one in Brooklyn and Williamsburg. I'm really excited to check it out. I love Williamsburg. And then after that, I'm actually meeting my friend for some like dinner, happy hour vibes. I'm really excited. My friend Emma Top is in town for a little bit, so I'm gonna go meet up with her and I think a couple of her friends, and we're gonna just like have a nice little happy hour dinner and drinks situation. It's gonna be fun. Anywho, all right, so let's pick out an outfit for today. I need something that like transitions from like day wear to going to happy hour, you know what I mean? So let's see what we can put together. It's probably gonna be really basic and involve a lot of black. You don't come to this channel for me to dress in color. You just don't. I think I'm gonna wear this actually. Not the tag still being on it. I just bought this because I have it in like 1,000 other colors. I have a black one, but it's a different cut and I really like this cut better. It like holds my boobs in more. I'm like sick of them falling out the side. It's quite annoying. This is my absolute favorite shirt, tank top, whatever. It's my absolute favorite. I don't have to wear a bra with it because it's ribbed. It's so thick. It's perfect. It goes with everything. So I picked up this. This is from Aritzia. I've actually gotten a couple of questions about what exactly the style is of these because I talk about these literally all the time. This is the Pia Sculpt Knit Tank. All of the other ones that I have are the cropped version. This is like the regular version. Oh my god. She's literally just built like an athlete. Wow, Charlie! I see good girls now. Oh, you love to be upstairs and you love to weigh. Charlie is just the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, so this is like the regular version, the longer version. I'm gonna wear this today because this is the only version that I have of black. I think I'm gonna wear, oh my god, not me like literally having to kick things. This is embarrassing. I think I'm gonna wear my black jean jacket because I always wear my black jean jacket and it's also only 60 degrees. Did I like put this stuff on as I'm talking? Is that how? And then for pants, I am not wearing full pants. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna wear shorts. Give me a second. Okay. These are my absolute favorite jean shorts. They're Levi's. Got them in LA when I went to Denim Heaven with Ava. I'm so happy that I got these. I literally have been wearing them absolutely nonstop because they fit amazing and they're comfortable as hell and I feel good in them. Okay, I'm gonna go change into this, see how I feel, and then I'll pick out shoes and probably like a necklace or something. I don't know. Here's the outfit. I think it's cute. I mean, is it cute or is it just all black? That is the question. For shoes, pretending to think about it when I know the whole time I'm just gonna wear my black platform Converse that I always wear. God, I'm so happy I bought these. I wear these all the time. They go with everything that I wear because, as we've established, I only wear black. There we go. All right, cool. Rings. thing. This is the one that I wear every day. I love it. It's my favorite. I already packed my little backpack with all of my shit. It's like a student. Again, God, this is cute, you guys. It's giving college Hannah. I'm going back to school? No, I'm not. Best Buy actually sent me this backpack, so shout out to Best Buy because I love this backpack. It's so nice. And it holds all my shit perfectly. Okay, AirPods, keys are over there, masks are over there, and we're good to go. All right, let's head over to Brooklyn, and I'm probably gonna stop at Juice Gen actually before I go to WeWork because I'm still hungry after my oatmeal, so I really see one of their like peanut butter banana protein smoothies in my future, in my very near future. So I'm gonna do that first. Let's get on into it. I'm excited. Today's gonna be a good day.
I found somebody I say don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. Truth is, I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were.
Hi friends, I actually stopped at home to change. I'm wearing the same shirt, but I just tied a little like white button down around my neck in case I get cold, and then I put on my, you can't see it, I put on my black leather pants. These are from Abercrombie. And then I just have my Jordans that have white in them to tie in the white. And then my little black bag. I feel like I look like the Real Housewives of New York. All right, I'm gonna go to this rooftop place. I've never been there before, but I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. I will see you guys when I get there. Yeah, so we actually didn't end up going to the rooftop. Okay, so I'm walking to this place. Oh my God, I look like a little boy. I'm walking to this place and Emma just told me that they said it was closed. I really look like a little boy. Holy shit. So we just ended up walking a couple more blocks and we found another place that was open and did have happy hour. Yeah, we really just had a nice time sitting and chatting, and we got some margaritas. Hey. We all got tacos for dinner, which were fantastic, and they had this guac that was out of this world. Actually, so good. So I feel like it kind of ended up being for the better that the rooftop was closed because I really enjoyed this place. I did meet 3 other girls and just loved them instantly, loved their vibe. We all just had such a nice time. And then after that, we all came back to my place. The purpose of that initially was so that they could see my adorable cat Charlie, but Charlie is somewhat of a scaredy cat. She's a bit of an introvert, like her mother sometimes, so she did not want to socialize. She was not into it. She hid under the bed in the back corner the whole time. This is Charlie, by the way, if anyone didn't know. She is definitely on the shy side, but I think that's because she only likes me. But then while everybody was here, it started pouring rain. So we ended up just sitting around here and talking and laughing and chilling and having a really nice time. So yeah, that's a little bit of a recap on what happened, and it was a lot of fun.
So.
Hi. What's up? We're about to get on a helicopter.
Yeah, I gave her a 20-minute heads up, and now we're going. Ta-da!
So yeah, it is true that Emma called me and asked me how fast I could get ready, essentially. She had just asked me if I wanted to go on this helicopter ride the night before. We weren't sure if we were gonna be able to go because the forecast for the day said that it was supposed to thunderstorm pretty much all day. I just had no idea. She was the one in contact with the company. I was just kind of waiting to hear from her about what was going on. So I guess they ended up emailing her kind of late and asked if she could get there in 30 minutes, which at that point, you know, we had to be over in Jersey to get on the helicopter, and we were both in Manhattan, so it was gonna be at least 30 minutes just to get there. Neither of us were ready. It was quite hectic. And so we got there, we got checked in and everything, and we ended up being able to go on the helicopter. The weather was holding out for us, which was amazing. And she got us the ride that you could like have no doors on the side of the helicopter. So we were literally about to get in a helicopter that didn't have any doors, that we were like allowed to stick our legs out of. So yeah, it was crazy.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in
My thoughts about the ride were that it was amazing. It literally felt like I was in a simulation, like I was in a video game. Being able to see the city, the whole city, from that type of aerial view, it was so cool. I'm really glad that we ended up going. I was stressed, I'm not going to lie, when I had to get ready extremely fast and then hop in an Uber. Not to mention my Uber over to Jersey was $60. Yeah, I know. But it was just such a freaking cool experience. We got really cool pictures and videos. Emma did actually tell me when we arrived at the location that she was afraid of heights. I don't know why she waited that long to tell me. But overall, it was so much fun, and I'm glad that we did it. From there, we got an Uber together back into the city, and we were starving. So we needed to go find a place to get some food for lunch, probably also get some caffeine. I had no caffeine in me, so we just stopped at Sweet Green in Soho for lunch, and then Emma was actually looking on the map for a coffee place around us, and she said that one of her favorite coffee places was actually like right around the block. So our next plan was to walk over there and get some matcha. Oh my gosh, the matcha was so good. The place was so cute. I loved the environment. Clearly I wasn't really doing well at vlogging this day. You win some, you lose some. So yeah, that's really it. Am I done? Hi besties, that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I don't even know what this video was. I'm sorry that it was kind of all over the place and very jumpy. My intention was just to vlog all day on Wednesday, and I was gonna make dinner and all that good stuff, but then I got invited to go to dinner, and I've been trying to say yes to more things recently and to be social, you know what I mean? Because I spend a lot of time by myself. I live by myself, but I spend a lot of time by myself. I do a lot of things by myself. I feel like I barely vlogged anything, so I'm sorry for that. I've been in like a weird place recently with vlogging. I feel like I don't really do that much interesting stuff in my day-to-day life, so I'm like, no one literally cares to see me do the same shit in every single vlog. Now I feel like I'm overthinking everything that I do so that I don't make everything too repetitive. I don't know. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this vlog anyway. I had a lot of fun in these 2 days and made good memories. So I feel like that's what it's all about. So yeah, with that, that's gonna be the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below, I'm a real one, because you're a real one. If you wanna see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every Sunday. And if you forget that I post a new video every Sunday, or you just wanna get notified right when I post a new video, make sure to turn on my post notifications for my channel. It's a little bell icon so that you never miss an upload and you get notified right when I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.